Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I do have another haul for you. This haul is kind of from all over the place. Dollar General, Walmart, BeautyBay, and ILNP. One day I went to Dollar General and they were having amazing beauty clearance. First I want to share this really cute salt and pepper shaker thing I found. Holder, and it's a salt and pepper shaker set. This was $5. I grabbed a pair of the Yellow Colors from Maddie Lash false lashes. I like how thin the band are on these, and they're in the style dainty. And these are more like natural kind of wispy looking lashes. I do like this. And these were, I think they're normally $1, but they were marked down to like 37 cents or something like that. I found I picked up the Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. This is a Prep Set Refresh Spray. I love this stuff. I've had it in the past. These are normally around $5. I got this for $1 and some change. These are new. The Wet n Wild Fast Dry AF nail polishes. This one is kind of just like a nude pink. It's in Ballerina Dropout. It's kind of like, I got this for like a base kind of coat, like a nail muting polish to apply other polishes on top of. And I think that I got these for 98 cents at the Dollar General, and they retail for anywhere from $3.50 up into $5. And the Wet n Wild Fast Dry AF top coat. This is called X-Ray Vision, and this is an amazing top coat. If you've not tried it and you're looking for a top coat, I did a full review on this, and this stuff's amazing. It's amazing. So like 98 cents for this as well. You cannot beat those prices. Next up is Walmart, and I knew that if I ever found this particular collection in Walmart, it's the Mean Girls collection. I absolutely love the Mean Girls movie. So from Profusion, if I ever found the big items, I knew that I would purchase them, and just so happens I found the bigger items. The one thing I don't like is that these items are a couple more dollars in store versus the Profusion website. So first item I picked up is the Profusion Mean Girls the Plastics set, and this is a 4-pair faux mink lash set. The lashes are named, and they come with a glue, but literally, look how, like, there's some really pretty lash styles. I have not had a chance to try the Profusion lashes, but I'm excited to try this collection. Those were $10. I did pick up Profusion Cosmetics and Mean Girls, the North Shore High School Yearbook, and I just love this. This is so cute. You open it up. It does have a tiny mirror, but it has like some more like little picture stuff over here and some sayings. Isn't the color story on this absolutely beautiful? So glad that I got this because I do love Mean Girls. I love the color story. I love the purples, the blues, of course the yellows. And of course there are several pressed glitters in this palette. Profusion loves to do that. I love this rainbow-esque color story. Love the packaging, everything about this. This on their website, I just want to throw out also, is $15 on the website. And this was roughly $17 in store. Okay, I'm gonna share my ILNP nail polish with you. I always purchase my ILNP polishes from Amazon as well. They do have a website. These are boutique nail polishes. These are higher end polishes. I like their rebrand as well. I do wish they'd kept the bigger heart in the box though. So I picked up High Voltage, and I've been on the hunt for like some really pretty unique purple polishes. This one is absolutely stunning. It's a royal purple with some holographic glitter in there with a shocking like pink flash in there. The camera's not ever going to do it justice. These are thinner formulas, but they build up nicely, they level out. And I have 2 coats of it on my nails now. there'll be some better pictures. They dry fairly quickly as well. That was $10, but super fast shipping. I ordered this and got it in like, I don't know, 2-3 days max. And last and final items that I picked up are from BeautyBay, and I've been wanting to try BeautyBay for a long time. I would recommend to never pay full price for one of these palettes, even though these palettes are pretty cheap. They have $5 shipping, which is always nice. They came packaged so nicely. I'm going to insert a clip. And I bought the Earthy Midnight bundle, and if you are patient and just keep stalking their website for sales, I got both of these palettes for the price of one. So for $25 is normal price for one of these. I got both of them for $25, $5 shipping, so $30. Gorgeous palettes. These are incredibly, amazingly, stunningly well thought out color stories. The pigmentation, the way they apply, everything about these is totally worth the money. Like I said, I picked up Midnight. There's a massive mirror that I'm not going to show, but you have 3 rows of purples, 3 rows of purples, and 3 rows of blues. I mostly bought this for the purples because I always am on the lookout for a really beautiful purple kind of palette. And I saw Oh My Lashes use this, and Brianna Faye. These are amazing. I cannot believe the quality. And look how many shades you get for the price you pay. The other one I got in my bundle was the Earthy palette. Once again, big giant mirror. Basically 4 rows of green kind of shades. I have done one look using this. Then you have like kind of like some nudes and some more warmer tones down here. These are amazingly pigmented. It's shockingly great quality. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Stay tuned for more hauls because I know there's going to be more. I thank you guys so very much for watching. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Check the description box out and the cards for additional links.